God, that's Trabass. That's that Jamaican dude, Trabass. I swear that's Jamaican dude, Trabass. Drive up so I can see him. Oh my God. It's Trabass. Hi guys. It's on the vlog. It's Trabass. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are here again, and right now Trawa sketch a new iguana, a better one. So we are trying to get rid of the one where the year before. Only this see one big ugly green one. Trawa sketch a new one. I'm gonna try to take him out now.
But him a crab and a bite. Touch his ear.
Yo, India, weird dog.
Touch his ear. Simon a left today. So this is my bite to Simon. We walk around again. Now this is the next one I just sketch. About them about the same size.
This is the new one. Look on film tail. Watch him fling up film tail up. See him look? Him yellow. We just catch him like a while. No trouble about to go. Remember what me come.
Yeah, look at that one.
Look how him look a bit happy.
Today I go leg out the iguana. Because I catch the next one while I cut my hair up on my friend Chris. So we are going to leg out Simon. We have a next Simon. Well, I'm going to check if that one there man or woman in a quick second. But right now I'm going to leg out that one here. Probably let it go, sir?
Yeah. Yo, me no want him run back to me now, so let me just dress back. Because if he ever run towards me, I go tear up the whole out there.
Go on. You're free, go on. So she find a new home. I run non-stop.
Gone. Thank God. Thank God he didn't get away.
Still a run. Still a run. Still a run. Cage, bird cage. You know she, you know really fit in it, but we have to take him out right now. I have to go clean up the next. Clean out the next one.
So right now we're there. Troubles over this, so I go vacuum right now. Yo, me know a long time I don't see me cook. This is not really a cooking vlog. Me just a cook and me a vlog. If you don't understand what I say. You know what I mean? One cooking vlog I go forward, but not from me. I'm from Trabass. Trabass do a mad cooking vlog with you. For all if I always I say why me always in the kitchen. And me alone in the scene in the kitchen. Trabass have a vlog, a job where him in the kitchen, 100% him cook everything. We're not going to see the vlog that I found out. For Trabass channel, me I do some flour. Well, some of them already in the pot already. And me have, of course, a ocherious ackee this. We have some ocherious ackee in a can. And we have little saltfish. You know what I mean? And we are about to make some ackee and saltfish right now with some boiled dumpling. Just a little swept. Nothing too big. Somebody else will check back in with you. Me probably make you see me do a little something. It'll be just 1 minute though. So watch this and then you see finished product. So a whole heap of people don't know how to need dumpling. Me feel like me still don't know how to need dumpling. Technique you have to do your mouth out, you know. And lean here, you have to. Then you press it. See that? A perfect dumpling. Some people take in one in and go so. And people are work on roadside. Where I make dumpling for man with on site. Perfect. One day, let me see if we can catch it again. Remember, do the head first, then do the mouth. You press it. If you don't do the mouth and lean the head, so it's not going to work. Perfect dumpling again. done because something. Two don't be made right now and we don't make back for one more. Or two more probably. Not sure yet, but you understand? I'm about to shell this right now and link with on the back. We out and about right now. You have Chris in the building right there. And you have Ricky in the building right there. And we are both figure linked up with Chabasca. Chris said man catch a iguana today.
We doing Chris, our white Billy boy stuff.
Yeah, we on our dude floor right now.
Catch a crop.
Yeah, yo, doctor that bad. And that no guy ever glaze go catch a croc.
Yo, me not tell anybody a secret, but don't tell nobody.
Yeah.
I'm afraid of iguana, you know that? I don't like them, I don't like snake, I don't like none of them.
Me not like snake na iguana.
You like them? Afraid of them? Oh, we are going to catch them.
Yeah, we are going to catch them right now. Trabas and iguana, man.
Frog, I'm afraid of frog. No.
Bullfrog? Me not afraid of them, but me not like them.
Hey, we can't tell the everybody watch it. It start up, you have to do your job.
Trabas them there over so right now by the lake. I catch some iguana man. So we are about to go for there and see where them catch so far. See the lake there. Right over there so we did our fishing. No, the one down there so we did our fishing. Trabas say we down here so.
Trabas over there catch turtle.
Turtle in down there catch? Alright, yes.
Look at all of them.
Gotta be still. He might try to catch one down here so. Let me stop and see if he can.
Be quiet, man. Shh.
Let me see if he can catch one.
Look at Chabas with the turtle.
Chabas have one. Yo, this is a brother, yeah.
So one tiger stripe one.
What wrong with the man, dog?
This is Chris the barber. Remember, he cuts our hair. Things like that. Go up. Okay.
You got him, you see?
Remember, Ricky detail him.
Ricky, look here.
Oh, you didn't even tie him up yet? Look.
Say hello. You're not afraid?
Chabas like a friend this.
Let me see if you
You're quiet. You can make nice one.
They
About
catch
10
it.
of them load this up on the ledge.
Right, this up on the ledge now. Man.
You might try to catch
Look
him.
at Chabas
With the fake iguana, it's not
No,
real.
not fake, it's real.
It's not real.
Put your hand in her mouth. Put your hand in her mouth for your mouth as if you're real.
No, some more my finger them.
Look in her eye.
I'm a joke thing in the yo.
You're real, man.
But why your belly look so?
Oh,
Just see it.
green?
No, just fat.
People, Chabas is
Brother,
mad.
I'm younger, brother. I'm a
Chabas
teacher,
is
younger,
out time mind. Literally out time mind. So sketching are going on.
Huh? You want to try and catch as much as you can.
How much you catch?
We catch all you.
Him just catch one liquor. Yo, you think me would ever do that? One must be mad in the life if you don't think me I go out here do then something. Who know that mad in the life? Watch out. Tell me say this boy, watch out. And take him up.
Go far.
Go closer where? Go do what? Chabas is not Jamaican, people.
Giant dog. Big like
Chabas is literally not Jamaican. In Jamaican, green card get take away.
no, I'm the Jamaican.
Tarzan.
My man never catch.
Tarzan.
No, man. Yeah.
So when they catch them, they just swell automatically?
They're not swell. Hello, famous.
No, tell him hello to me, I royalty.
Yeah.
No trespassing is out here. Ricky,
Hello,
nah, go
famous.
out there, you know.
What is up?
Yo, he look pretty in this still, you know, but no.
Me wanted in my country.
Ricky wanted in the country. Holla.
Yeah.
I wanted over there.
Yo, the man.
So guys, you have a video?
Yeah.
So guys, we're here with the iguana man.
Yo?
We chilling like a villain with the iguanas.
You already know.
Look,
Say cheers.
say good boy over there catching them one by one. And we gonna put them in the bag.
You already know.
Yo, this one bigger than.
Yeah, look at this, bro. This is the
So
crazy
tell them about the iguanas, like what's going on right
Yeah,
here.
so right now they are breeding like crazy. They are taking over the state of Florida. So shout out to Andrew for coming out here, helping me out, guys. These things are literally everywhere. But as you can see, iguanas come in different colors, different sizes, different patterns. Look at this one right here, a little bit more leopardy. This one's kind of zebra-ish.
And this one kind of black.
Yup. You guys seen that red one that Andrew caught too, right? That big orange one. That's a big alpha. Look, take it. Oh my gosh.
Oh, we caught a green one, guys. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Journey with me. Let's go. We're going in this. A joke.
I'm following you.
Look, the one there. You get lucky now. You catching a lot. Let me hold him.
Go ahead, bud.
Ooh. Oh, wow.
Watch out, he's looking. Yeah, look at him. He's looking. Oh.
Wait, no, turn it. Oh. No, the other way. No, I can't hold it.
Hold it. I got you.
Oh, under the belly.
Yeah. After you catch them for a while, you'll know different places to hold them.
Don't grab me.
A little hold her up, a little higher up. One way you. Oh shit! Oh my god! We're good. We didn't get that on film. Blooper. Hold this for a second.
We good.
If you want to show the viewers at home the teeth of one? Let me show you the teeth of one. Yeah. You guys want to see the teeth? Check this out. So come take a closer with this. This guy right here is actually eating grass. That's what they do. They're omnivores. Well, they're herbivores, right? But look at these teeth right here. Get a close up of that. See that right there? Look at this, Andrew. Look. You see them teeth, boss? Look at that right there. So they have teeth like carnivores, but they are herbivores. We don't know why. Maybe they evolved. Maybe back in the day they did eat meat, but now they just like to eat salads. But still, you do not want to get bit by that.
Here's a shot.
Tegu boy got bit by an iguana, dude.
Yeah, his finger. He showed me.
So what you want to do? If you're about to grab an iguana and his mouth is open, don't grab it. All right, let him calm down for a little bit. Let him chill. Let him get tired and then grab it. So Tegu boy, there's a big one on the floor. The iguana's mouth was open. Tegu boy went to grab it. Maybe, I don't know. And then when he went down, the iguana jumped up, bit him in the finger, and he had to get 20
stitches,
20 stitches and surgery. Bunch of crazy stuff. But you know, when you're out here, safety is always number one, bro. That's why I'm wearing long sleeves. That's why I usually wear gloves. And yeah, see, look at that. Let me see the first battle scar.
Yo, Mell in pool right now without ya. This shit is No, we never da laugh at you, we da laugh with you.
Like Ray J, my one wish.
So, ladies and gentlemen,
My whisper.
Andrew is right there, and Mell is right there, and they're making music, guys.
Yeah.
We are whispering
It's
right
history in the making right now.
Big fact.
This is the making of a hit.
Long overdue.
For real.
Long overdue. 2 words.
2 words. Camera slip, but I have kitchen fingers, so I caught it.
I got it.
Got it. My kitchen fingers.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in the